Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's prepare a truly authentic, Kerala-style, Chakka Puzhukku, a timeless traditional favorite made with tender raw jackfruit, fresh coconut, garlic, and aromatic spices. Every bite is soft, creamy, and packed with comforting homemade flavors. Follow along as we create this delicious Kerala classic, step by step. Let's get started. First, take fresh, raw, unripe jackfruit. Clean it thoroughly, remove the tough outer skin, and chop the flesh into small, even bite-sized pieces for cooking. Don't forget to add some of the soft jackfruit rags too. They add extra flavor and texture. Now take the jackfruit seeds, peel off the hard outer skin, and cut them into small pieces. Altogether, we have approximately 1 kilogram of prepared jackfruit. Transfer everything into a pressure cooker. Add ½ teaspoon turmeric powder for authentic Kerala flavor. 1 teaspoon red chili powder for a beautiful color and gentle heat. Add rock salt according to your taste. Pour enough water to submerge the jackfruit pieces, otherwise they may stick to the bottom and burn while cooking. Close the lid and pressure cook for 4 whistles until the jackfruit piece softens. Meanwhile, let's prepare the delicious coconut mixture. Into a mixer jar, add 200 to 250 grams of freshly shredded coconut. Add 3 cloves of garlic. Next, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Pour just enough water to make a thick, creamy paste. Grind everything into a smooth, aromatic paste. Now, carefully open the pressure cooker. Using a wooden masher, gently mash the cooked jackfruit. Mash about 80% of it, leaving the remaining pieces slightly chunky for that perfect bite. Adjust the texture to your preference. Now add the freshly ground coconut paste. Mix everything thoroughly until the coconut paste coats the mashed jackfruit evenly, creating a rich, creamy, and flavorful mixture throughout. Taste the mixture and add more salt if needed. Give everything one final mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's prepare the fragrant Kerala-style tempering. Heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1½ teaspoons mustard seeds. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 4 dried red chilies. Finally, toss in 2 sprigs of fresh curry leaves and let everything crackle until wonderfully aromatic. Pour this sizzling tempering over the cooked jackfruit mixture. Close the cooker with the lid for a few minutes so all those incredible flavors blend together beautifully. Open the lid again and gently mix everything together for the perfect final consistency. Serve the hot Chakka Puzhukku in a bowl and enjoy warm with love. And there you have it. Authentic Kerala-style Chakka Puzhukku, perfectly soft, creamy, and bursting with rich coconut flavors, gentle spices, and the irresistible aroma of fresh curry leaves. Enjoy this comforting traditional delicacy with hot rice, kanji, or simply on its own for a truly satisfying homemade Kerala meal. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.